The Miyata Elevation 8000 really stood out because of its attention to detail and the quality of materials. It had a lightweight chromoly steel frame, which gave it a great balance of strength and weight. Plus, it came with top-tier components that were cutting edge at the time, making it super popular among serious mountain bikers. And as mountain biking evolved, the Elevation 8000 became a bit of a legend in the vintage bike scene. The Miyata Elevation 8000 typically featured a frame that was meticulously brazed, and it had a mix of tubing to balance strength and weight. The geometry was also designed for stability on rough trails, and it had a relatively slack head angle and a comfortable saddle. The components were top-notch for its era, including things like the Dior XT derailleurs, shifters, and sturdy cantilever brakes that provided excellent stopping power. Overall, the Elevation 8000 was a standout in the mountain biking community at the time, and it remains a beloved classic today. The Miyata Elevation 8000's frame was built using high-quality chromoly steel, often with a blend of different tubing types to optimize strength and weight. Miyata was known for their meticulous frame construction, using techniques like butted tubing, where the tubing walls are thicker at the joints and thinner in the middle. This not only reduced weight, but also maintained durability and strength where it was needed most. The frames were also known for their smooth welding and brazing techniques, which contributed to a comfortable, responsive ride. Overall, the technology and craftsmanship behind the frame really set it apart and made it a standout in its era. Titanium and aluminum each have their own unique benefits. Titanium is well known for its excellent strength to weight ratio, incredible durability, and the ability to absorb vibrations, giving a super smooth ride. It's also very corrosion resistant, which means it lasts a very long time. On the other hand, aluminum is lighter and more affordable. It's also known for its stiffness, which can translate to efficient power transfer, though it can sometimes be a bit less forgiving in terms of ride comfort. Both materials have been used in mountain biking, with titanium often seen as more premium and aluminum being more common due to its cost effectiveness. Greg Herbold is a legendary mountain biker, and he actually rode a lot of iconic bikes in the 1990s, including models from brands like Giant and Kona. While the Miyata Elevation 8000 wasn't one of his primary bikes, it was definitely part of that era of high-performance mountain biking. The frame's design and the components would have definitely complemented the type of riding that Greg Herbold was known for, like aggressive downhill and cross-country racing. So while he might not have used that exact bike in competition, the technology and the design principles definitely reflect the cutting-edge standards of that time. Greg Herbold is actually from California.